subscribe to our channel.
So today we are going to be giving you a tour of our igloo. So we built one a couple of days ago, and so far it's still standing up. We sprayed it with a little bit of food coloring to give it some color, and it's super cool, and we're just going to show you guys it because we think it's really cool. So basically this is just the outside. It just looks like that. Now we're just gonna go inside. So this is what it looks like inside. So yeah, it's pretty big. I mean, it's not like super big, but you can tell this is what it is like.
It's actually pretty warm in here.
Yeah, it's a little bit warmer in here, but we're gonna go out now. We just think that it's super, super cool, and we just wanted to show you guys it. So just here's one last look at it. I just love it so much. It's so much fun. Thanks for watching. Bye.